I don't know what I'm doing. Jessica! We had an issue where someone asked us... Hold on, where's my phone? If someone asked us a question that wanted us to be answered here, here on our other videos. We got a comment, and it said, I don't know, entertaining.
What?
Yeah, I'm looking for it. Entertaining.
Oh my gosh, hold on, where is it? Well, where is it?
Oh, okay, whatever. Just
don't put your feet.
Why not?
Ow, you shocked me, not shocked.
Cannot see all of that.
I just had it.
I am... Here we go. Okay. It says... I gotta just, like, lower this, because you guys can't hear that. But it said, if Tweety Bird and Pikachu had a baby, will it become a flying hamster?
What type of question is that?
A flying hamster, huh?
And who was that from?
From someone
Named Danny.
named I am Danny 5. Well, listen here, I am Danny 5. I am 5. I am the only 5 ever. Got that? Anyway, so if Pikachu and Tweety Bird had a flying hamster. Yeah, it would be a flying hamster. It would be some kind of dog eating a pancake.
What was the question again?
If Tweety and Pikachu had a baby, would it be a flying hamster? I think that it would actually be... It wouldn't be a hamster. It would be a kind of...
It would be like an
electrified...
Yellow animal?
Yellowish.
I don't know.
Yellowish animal.
Of course, it would have those blushes, the ones that Pikachu has. Hold on, I'll be back.
Whatever it would be cute and adorable.
Mixed with Tweety Bird.
It would be cute and adorable, but you wouldn't be able to go anywhere near it.
And
that's your answer!
And it would kill you!
I am 5. Not you. Not you. I'm 5. Not you. Alright, see you later. But
Bye.
seriously, you have all the freedom in the world to be 5. And it wouldn't be a flying hamster, it'd be some kind of mutation, demon person, you know.